Would you look at that? That is a 1962 Chevy Corvette steering wheel, looking as good as it was when it was brand new. This steering wheel came into us and someone else had tried to restore it and all of their repairs failed. And so the customer wanted us to do it right. And so we did. We remolded the sections on it and then refinished it back to factory new. We also polished up that metal on there so it looks as good as new. Look how amazing that looks. Look at the detail. Look at the gloss level of it. So this is going to be a game changer in this car. He's got a gorgeous restored Corvette with a old cracked up steering wheel. That just doesn't work. And that's what we're here for. We will take your old cracked up steering wheel and make it brand new again. Because you can't just buy these things off of the shelf. And even if you can on some, like you can find some Corvettes steering wheels, but they're not the original steering wheel to the car. So that's what we're here for. We will take your steering wheel and make it new again. Reach out to us, craftcustoms.com, and we look forward to working with you.